Hi guys, let's see how to add comma after each word in Google Sheets. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just use this formula, substitute, and then select the first cell, A1, and then what happens that it first parameter is text to search, second parameter is search for, what it is searching for and what it is replacing with. Okay, so the second parameter is what it is searching for. So in case of words, there will be a space after each word, so we will replace the space in double quotes with a comma, which we'll write in double quotes, and then close the bracket, hit enter, and that's it. You have successfully added comma after every words in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please do like.